Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to turn off sound on Monster Hunter Now. If you want to play your Monster Hunter Now game in secret so that no one else can know that you are playing the game, then turning off the sound effects inside the game is a great option to begin. So the first thing to do is to open your Monster Hunter Now application and make sure to log into your account. Once you're signed into Monster Hunter Now, tap on the profile picture of yourself on the bottom left corner. From the expanded menu, tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you will be able to see the 3 volume options at the top: Master Volume, BGM Volume, and SE Volume. In order to play with the music-free experience, simply go ahead and drag the slider all the way until the left-hand side and make sure that it looks like this for all of these 3 options at the top. Soon after you are done with it, you will be able to mute your sound effect on Monster Hunter Now. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.